First rule, the moment you enter the airport, you'll have to wear masks and then you'll have to wear hand gloves. So this is the new normal now. Bagdogra being a military defense airport, I could not film the security area, but I will talk about it later. You can see the line where they were sanitizing the luggage. In the new normal, the check-in counters will not issue you the boarding passes. You'll have to print it and bring it directly. Over here they hand you the face masks, the face shield and the PPE kit. The PPE kit is handed to the person who has the middle seat and he's supposed to wear it. Okay, over here I'd like to let you know that at Bagdogra airport the face masks and the PPE kits are handed over from the check-in counter. The check-in counter does not issue you the boarding passes. The boarding passes have to be printed at home and have to be brought to the airport. They only provide you the luggage tags and the face masks and the PPE kits. Social distancing is well maintained over here. Hats off to Indigo. They have really taken care of each and everything. So this is the security check-in line, which is obviously quite long. But again, thanks to the Bagdogra authorities, that over here also they have done a very good job on social distancing. After wearing the mask, I found out that this was quite tricky. The face shield has a plastic coating on it. So I would advise everyone to remove the plastic coating from both the sides. It's only after that it will be comfortable to wear and you can see clearly and properly. So Bagdogra being a military defense airport, photography is prohibited in most of the areas, and that is the reason why I could not take videos at the starting point where the luggages were sanitized and the tickets were checked. Anyway, I'll explain everything in detail. So in this COVID time, the tickets have to be printed at home only. They do not give you the boarding passes over here at the airport. So with those printed tickets, you get entry to the airport. Now, the first thing is that you stand in the line and they will sanitize your luggage first. After that, there are CISF personnel sitting behind window panes, and you'll have to show your ticket and your ID from outside the window pane, and then you will get entry inside. So once you enter, you will give your luggage for scanning, and after scanning you will take your luggage to the kiosk where boarding passes were issued earlier, but now they do not give you the boarding passes. Over here they will give you the PPE kits, the hand sanitizer packets and face mask. So the person who gets the middle seat is required to wear this PPE kit. Without this, you are not allowed entry into the aircraft. So now we are ready to board the flight. The boarding has just started and you can see the line. It is over here that social distancing is not maintained up to the mark. And then you can see the bus. Over here also social distancing was not up to the mark. So after boarding, one new thing which I noticed this time was that the air hostess are not selling any food or soft drinks. So you'll have to be prepared for that. So finally we have reached Kolkata from Bagdogra. It was a 45-minute flight and I hope the new normal has been explained properly. This is the new way to travel now, with face masks, face shield, PPE kits. You feel like as if you are an astronaut. And yes, I will not end the video over here. because I will be departing from Calcutta tomorrow itself only, and I will show the difference between Bagdogra and Calcutta tomorrow in this video itself only. So keep watching. My return journey from Calcutta to Bagdogra, the Indigo staff interviewed me for the services that they were giving, and they were very happy to know that I was filming each and every part of it. I carry a platinum credit card of ICICI Bank, and the facility which I get is that on a payment of ₹25, I get free access to the lounge and food. But this time, due to COVID, everything was closed. Thanks to CCD, they were offering the same services at Calcutta Airport.